What's up, guys? I'm out here at Wood Creek Farms hitting a few golf balls, and yes, I've gotten into that god-awful sport again. I think I'm going to blame Bill Oliver for part of that. He's my guest this week on Dishin Dirt and took me to play golf last week, and so I think I'm going to go ahead and just blame Bill for getting me back into this frustrating sport. Fun, but frustrating, so we'll let you know how that goes. But anyway, Bill Oliver is with Cardinal Financial. He's a mortgage lender, and one of the things that Bill does is he does mortgage planning. Now, you've heard about financial planning. Well, one of the big things we're seeing now is called mortgage planning, and what mortgage planning is that as interest rates rose, as the market changed, not everybody was just calling and saying, hey, give me your best 30-year mortgage. They were looking for terms, what kind of products you had. Was it better to put down payment? Was it better to pay mortgage insurance? And so one of the things that Bill does on our podcast this week is talks about the importance of mortgage planning. It's just like financial planning. Your mortgage is probably your biggest financial liability you'll ever have financially ever in your life. And so what Bill does, instead of just saying, hey, we got 30 years, this is what your rate's going to be, is let's sit down and see what our goals are, what our needs are, what our family's needs are, and see if mortgage planning is a better idea than just going ahead and putting you in a 30-year mortgage. And so I think we're going to start seeing this shift in our marketplace where we're going to see more and more mortgage planning and a lot less of just, hey, 30-year mortgages, this is what our rate is. So very interesting podcast to kind of see where the mortgage industry is moving toward, something I think all real estate agents need to be more aware of. So this gives you a good chance to see where the mortgage lending industry is heading. I think we're going to see a lot more of this as we move forward. So y'all take a listen to the podcast this week. Let me know your comments and your thoughts, and we'll see you again next week for another episode of Dishin Dirt. Hopefully I won't break as many golf clubs this time around. I haven't played golf in 17 years. Once I had my kids, we quit playing golf for a long time. Now we're back at it with my son, so we'll see if I can enjoy it a lot more this time by not caring as much. I think that's the key to golf, is just not caring as much. So we'll see how it goes. Talk to y'all later. Have a good weekend.